Welcome to the demo of our system Natjam. We are running our system on a cluster of 6 nodes. Each node has a quad-core Intel processor, 12 GB of RAM, and 500 GB of disk space. In this part of the demo, we first submit a research job that has 4 map tasks and 20 reduce tasks. Then, after a 25-second delay, we submit a production job that has 4 map tasks and 30 reduce tasks. This part of the demo has 2 windows. On the top, we show job progress for the original Hadoop scheduler, and in the bottom we show job progress for our system Natjam. In the background, you can see another window which is the default scheduler web interface used for Hadoop. We chose to ignore it since it doesn't display adequate information required for our demo. As you can see, in the bottom window, our system Natjam, the production job app 15 is able to preempt the research job app 14. As a result, it is making much more progress compared to the research job. Whereas in the original Hadoop system, which is displayed in the top window, the production job is not making as much progress because it does not support preemption capabilities. So you can see in the bottom window for our system Natjam, the production job app 15 has already finished and the cluster is now only being used by the research job app 14. Whereas in the top window for the original system Hadoop, the research job and production job are both still running. At this point in both systems, the production job has finished and the cluster is only being used by the research jobs. At this point, the production and research jobs have finished in both systems. As you can see, in our system Natjam, the production job finished 46 seconds earlier compared to original Hadoop. This means that we were able to prioritize the production job by preempting the research job. In this part of the demo, we want to demonstrate that our system Natjam can support deadline-aware scheduling. We first submit a large deadline job that is due in 3 minutes, and then we submit a small deadline job that is due in 40 seconds. As you can see, the large deadline job app 21 is starting to make progress and it is gradually overloading the cluster. Now the small deadline job app 22 comes in and it's starting to make progress. Now the small deadline job app 22 is preempting the large deadline job app 21. And as you can see, the small deadline job app 22 is gradually finishing while the large deadline job app 21 is now preempted. So now the small deadline job app 22 finished and the cluster is now being used by the large deadline job app 21. So the jobs have completed and we are displaying the margin of both jobs. For example, the small deadline job has a margin of 32 seconds, which means it finished 32 seconds before its deadline, even though it arrived after the large deadline job. And that is the end of our demo. Thank you very much.